In this tutorial, we are going to walk through how to set up a list filter within your Adalo app. This list filter will allow you to filter by categories that we will set up together that will show your selected item based off of what your selection is. Now that we are inside the Adalo editor, we are going to add a screen for a simple list. Let's move this down, delete that, and then we are going to add a drop-down menu to this list since this is the display that we want. And so now we are going to bind it to our database. So let's jump over to the database so I can show you what we've set up to make this app work. So we have a database collection of movies that have a name, category, and an image. And then they also have 4 records in here to display the different movie types. We do have a database collection set up for categories. Categories has a relationship with movies to show the different type of categories that can be associated with a movie. So back over on our list, we are going to set this up so that it is binded to the data that we have inside of Adalo. For our drop-down menu, we are going to select that this is going to be categories. And then let's go down to our simple list and say this is a simple list of movies, and we want to update the subtitle using magic text to show the category name. And then let's go down to the left section and pull in the image that we have in our app. Now let's go back up and we are going to add an additional filter onto this list so that when our users are selecting their movie category, that will be displayed. So we will create a custom filter and say that the name of the category contains the form input name. So let's test it out. Okay, and then let's select comedy. Wonderful, and suspense. Perfect. That is working beautifully. So now you can filter a list inside of Adalo.